Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting With channel. Today I will show how to make a crochet candy hair clip and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. At first I will use Rico Essential Crochet yarn with two colors, pink and white, and hook number 1.6 millimeter as shown now, and I will use a hair clip and the scissor. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot, then make 33 chains as shown now. Now I finished 33 chains, then turn and skip the first chain and make half double crochet into every chain across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished, then cut the yarn and fasten off. I made another one with the white color with the same sequence as shown now. Then I will start make the candy. I will start round 1. I will make 6 chains as shown now. Then turn and make 12 triple crochet stitches into the first chain as shown now, into the same chain, then close with slip stitch with the white color. Then start round 2. I will make 2 chains with the white color and make single crochet between next 2 triple crochet stitches from the previous row as shown now into that space. I will make single crochet stitch. Then repeat with the same sequence across the row. So I will make 2 chains again and make single crochet into the space between 2 triple crochet stitches from the previous row. I will make it and I'll come back. Then cut the yarn and fasten off. Then I will twist 2 pieces around itself as shown now with the shape. And wrap it with the glue to make that circle with the shape. I made 2 pieces with that shape with the same sequence to make the candy. Then I will join 3 pieces together with the glue and glue from the inside it. Then I will make the hair clip. I will join the yarn with the hair clip as shown now. I will make a slip knot, then join it with the metal hair clip. Then I will make single crochet, then make 4 chains to go to the other or the opposite side of that metal hair clip and continue making a single crochet around all the hair clip as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished made the single crochet stitches all around the hair clip, then close with slip stitch. Then I will make single crochet around 4 chains from the previous row and make 7 half double crochet around that 4 chains between 2 lines of that hair clip as shown now. Then close with a slip stitch as shown now. Then join the candy and the hair clip together with the glue as shown now. Now I finished that candy crochet hair clip and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.